أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. ماذا تفعل سواد? What is سواد doing? تكوي الثياب التي غسلتها أمس. She irons the dresses which she washed yesterday. من كوى المناديل? Who ironed the handkerchiefs? سواد كوت المناديل. Swad's mother ironed the handkerchiefs. Swad's mother ironed kawatil manadil. It is actually kawat. When you read along with the sukun lam, kawatil manadil. ما اسم الزميلة التي دعت سواد إلى بيتها? What is the name of the classmate who invited Swad ila baytiha to her house? What is the name of the classmate? Masmu zamila tillati da'at Suada ila baytiha. Ismuha Salwa. Her name is Salwa. Samaha laha abuha bidhahabi ila baytiha. Did her father allow her to go to her house? Did her father allow her to go to her house? Naam, yes, her father allowed her. Ila man shakka Mahmud zamilahu? To whom Mahmud complained against his classmate? Shakahu ila al-mudiri. He complained against him with the principal. Limashtara Mahmudun al-halawa. Why did Mahmud buy the sweets? Ishtara, he bought. Li annahu, because he. Yuridu, wants. An yad'uwa, to invite. Thalasatam min zumalaihi, 3 of his classmates, to his house. He bought because he wants to invite. An yad'uwa, thalasatam min zumalaihi, 3 of his classmates, to his house. هذه همسلة للفعل المعتل اللام. What is al-mu'tal al-lam? We saw in the beginning al-mu'tal al-fa, al-mu'tal al-ain. This is al-mu'tal al-lam. If the weak letter of fa kalima is weak, then it is mu'tal al-fa. Ain kalima is weak, mu'tal al-ain. Lam kalima is weak, then it will be mu'tal al-lam. These are the examples for the verb al-mu'tal al-lam. Al-mu'tal al-lam means the fail, the verb which contains weak letter in the lam kalima, like this or like this. So in the fa kalima is weak letter, then it is called a misal. Ain kalima is weak letter, ajwaf. Lam kalima is weak letter, naqis or mu'tal lam. So here kava yakvi, he ironed. He irons or he will iron. Masha yamshi, masha yamshi, masha yamshi. Masha, he walked. He walks or he will walk. Jara ejri, jara ejri, jara ejri. He ran, he runs or he will run. Rama yermi, Rama yermi, Rama yermi. He threw, he throws or he will throw. Baka yabki, baka yabki, baka yabki. He cried, he cries or he will cry. Da yad'u, da yad'u. He invited, he called, he calls or he will call. Shaka yashku, shaka yashku. He complained, he complains or he will complain. Tala yetulu, tala yetulu, tala yetulu. He recited, he recites or he will recite. Maha yamhu, maha yamhu, maha yamhu. He erased, he erases or he will erase. Afa yafu, afa yafu, afa yafu. He forgave, he forgives or he will forgive. تعمل الأمثلة ثم اكتب المضارع المرفوع ثم اكتب المضارع المرفوع والمضارع المجزوم والأمر من الأفعال الآتية. Observe the examples, then write مضارع المرفوع مضارع المجزوم, that is position of the jazm represented by sukun, and amr command from the following verbs. Baka, baka means he cried, baka. Yabuki, yabuki, he cries or he will cry. It was originally yabukiyu, baka yabukiyu. So yabuki. Al, this is marfu position. Al muzari al majzum, lam yabki, the ya has fallen. In the case of lam, when lam enters into this na case, the weak letter falls. Lam yabki, lam yabki, lam yabki. The same way in amr also, the lam kalima has fallen. Yabki, cry. Lam yabki, he didn't cry. Yabki, he cries or he will cry. Baka, he cried. Another example, masha means he walked. Yamshi, he walks or he will walk. Lam yamshi, he didn't walk. See, ya has fallen. Yamshi, walk. Kawa, he ironed. He irons or he will iron. Yakvi. Lam yakvi, he did not iron. Ikvi, iron. Press. Jara, yejri. Jara, yejri. Lam yejri, yejri. Jara, he ran. Yejri, he runs or he will run. Lam yejri, he didn't run. Yejri, run. Rama, he threw. Yermi, he throws or he will throw. Lam yermi, he did not throw. Yermi, throw. Bana, he built. Yabni, he builds or he will build. Lam yabni, he did not build. Yibni, build. Saqa means he fed water. He fed water. Saqa. Yasqi, he feeds water or he will feed water. Lam yaski, he did not feed water. Isqi, feed water. Feed water. توظف لام الفعل المعتل للام في المضارع المجزوم وفي الأمر. That's what we saw. In the case of al-mu'tal lam, the al-mudari al-majzum and the amr, the lam kalima is removed. Tudaf.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك